Hi, and welcome to this quick training video for XLAudit. Today we're going to show you how you can visualize the consistency of the formulas in your spreadsheet. So I'm going to work with this spreadsheet today, and when we look at the XLAudit toolbar, we have something here called Highlight Formula Consistency, which when pressed will highlight all the formulas in that sheet, and it will color code them by their consistency with neighboring formulas. So you can see down below where we have something all in light green and all in dark green, and that consistency is a good thing. But where do we see some inconsistencies? Of course, in this row we see a bunch of different colors, and that's probably something you'd want to look at. In this row we see all one color, but we do see some value cells amongst these formula cells. And here we see a formula amongst a bunch of data. Again, that's something you would want to look into. And here in this column, we see almost everything is one color, where we're summing columns D through R. But as we get down a little further, we see that this cell, the different colored cell, sums only columns D through Q. So this is a very quick way to highlight that kind of formula inconsistency or consistency. And then when you're done, you simply click on Remove Overlay to go back to the original screen.